Hello, good evening. I'm Prerna and welcome to Indie Global News Channel. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the two BJPs competed in 2024. A closer examination of state level vote shares from the recent elections reveals a complex narrative about the BJP's position in the political landscape. This election was marked by a strong vote against the political establishment. Interestingly, the BJP's role varied, where in some regions it was seen as part of the establishment and in others as a challenger. The election saw the emergence of two distinct factions within the BJP, the BJP establishment and BJP challenger. The BJP establishment faced serious electoral setbacks, indicating a significant decline in its traditional strongholds. Conversely, the BJP challenger enjoyed a successful electoral outing, capturing votes driven by anti-establishment sentiments. While the anti-establishment vote for BJP in some states marks the broader national sentiments against the party, these gains for the BJP challenger are viewed as temporary. The ruling establishment cannot depend on this short-lived advantage for sustained success. The central question moving forward is how long the BJP challenger can sustain and support the BJP establishment. The window for growth appears limited both in terms of time and geographic reach. There are few states left where BJP can significantly expand its influence. This temporary advantage may not last long, compelling the BJP establishment to innovate strategies to avoid the decline that befell the Congress establishment. Additionally, a warning appeal of Prime Minister Modi suggesting that his charisma may not suffice to secure future victories. This election's outcome offers little reassurance to the BJP for its long-term prospects. The BJP must address these emerging challenges swiftly to prevent a decline in its political dominance, remnants of the Congress trajectory. The party needs to navigate these complexities to restore and sustain its influence in Indian politics. For more such videos, please stay tuned with our channel.